Hey guys, so Leah here. Nobody's here with me, of course, because they have all stuff to do. But, um, yeah, I will be singing Adele, Set Fire to the Rain, just a little bit, because my throat kind of hurts right now. So, here you go. I let it fall. Hold on my eye. I let it fall. My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim me. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win